is Senator Mark Kelly?
Everybody needs to wake up. The occupant of the Oval Office is ignorant to the Constitution and has no regard for the rule of law. Trying to silence me, in proposing to court-martial me, in threatening to kill me for fighting back when our democracy demands that we must fight back. President Trump has crossed a line because I've given too much in service to this country to back down to this guy. In 1991, when Donald Trump was driving the Taj Mahal casino into bankruptcy, I was getting shot at over Iraq and Kuwait. In 2001, after Donald Trump said that the collapse of the Twin Towers meant he now owned the tallest skyscraper in Manhattan, I was carrying flags honoring 9/11 victims into space on a rocket ship. In 2003, when Donald Trump was writing birthday greetings to the monster Jeffrey Epstein, I was the first on the scene to recover the bodies of my fellow astronauts who died when Space Shuttle Columbia exploded during re-entry. In 2011, when Trump was hosting a reality show and peddling conspiracy theories against President Barack Obama, I was sitting next to my wife's hospital bed as she recovered from a gunshot wound to the head. My point is this: I've been through a lot worse in service to my country. The president and Pete Hegseth are not going to silence me.
Who is Senator Mark Kelly? He's a naval officer, he's a fighter pilot, he's an aeronautical engineer, he's an astronaut, and he's a senator. Is it even possible to be more fucking American than that? He holds a degree in marine engineering and a master's in aeronautical engineering. He was a Navy captain and a combat fighter pilot. This is Top Gun shit. He's flown more than 5,000 hours in over 50 different aircraft, and he's made almost 400 aircraft carrier landings safely. He flew the A-6 Intruder, the F-14 Tomcat, the F-15 Eagle, the F-18 Hornet, and the Space Shuttle 4 times. Traveled almost 5 million miles in space, and he orbited the Earth 186 times. Are you freaking serious? He's married to former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords, who nearly died in an actual assassination attempt back in 2011. Now, he's a United States Senator from Arizona. This is the man that our government is calling a traitor, seditious, and that he should be put to death. How American is that?